Welcome to QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. I'm Steve Resuta, CPA. I like to help small businesses save taxes and increase profits. And one of my favorite tools is QuickBooks Online. Great thing with QuickBooks Online allows me to work remotely with my business clients, and I can go in there and help them out. I'll look at numbers, give them reports, and also I can help them categorize their transactions while they take care of their day-to-day business, which is invoicing and receiving payments from their customers. And also they have a bill input and a vendor payment, and that's what we're going to take a look at today, vendor payments. Now when we get into QuickBooks, all different versions have slightly different menus, but if you don't see a customer center here or a vendor center, you want to go over and add them, we simply come down to the bottom to the menu settings, customize, and we can make bookmarks. My last video I showed you customers, so a really important one to always add. And then the next one is vendors. These are probably two of the most important bookmarks to add right away to get you in here, because if we're taking care of our customers and then paying our vendors, and our vendors, anybody that helps you out with your business, could be a utility, could be a supplier, and so on. But now we have a vendor center just like in desktop, and once you enter bills, a vendor is somebody you pay a bill to, and we put some bills in with a due date. The great thing is, just like customers, we have this great colored center that shows us overdue bills. So if we click in, we can just concentrate. Sometimes you need to click that twice, and it just only shows you the bills that are overdue, because usually they're the ones you have the most urgency. So if you're a little tight on cash, you can go and pick ones you're paying. And we can go right in here and make a payment. If we were doing it by credit card, that's how you record a credit card payment. But if it's by check, if we click on check, we can simply go here, put to be printed, and we can also check here. They have save and new or save and close. But once we save it, then we can actually print the check. In this case, if we want to print a check out, we hit print check, and it's the first time we're doing it in this trial version, so we'd have to do a setup. So if you have 3 checks to a page, you'll need to get 3 checks in the queue. But most businesses order the voucher checks, which has 1 check and then a voucher for the vendor and a voucher for you to keep as the business. So pretty much they're set up. So if we go here, yes, I'm finished. If they're offline, that's another video on setting up printing out checks. But it'd be all ready to print, and we have to go here to new and to print checks. And our check that we just put in to the insurance agency is sitting there for us to print. In this case, it's a sample company. We don't have a previous check number in here. It would memorize it if it was you're currently using it and you have check 5001, 5002, whatever your next check sequence is, it memorizes it. And we go here to print. A lot of menus here to jump through. Print, and usually you have to go to more settings, and again one more settings, and we can get in here, and we also then hit to more settings. And in my case, I always print to a bypass, or if you have a separate drawer, you can go in and pick that. And online, there's no way to just preset that like there was in desktop. So this is pretty much a sequence you can go through, and I do have a video on that as well. I'm printing checks because of a lot of clicks and a lot of menus to print a check. And this will print it out, and then it'll ask you if the check printed correctly. So once you print your check from the multi-feed drawer, it gives you time to go over there, get a check, and put it in the drawer, and make sure it prints correctly. And when we hit close, it'll ask us if it came out right. So if it didn't, or if it printed on some other type of paper, or the check number is wrong, you can put this number in here and reprint the check. So that's where we are, and we need to close this out to get back to our vendors. Now there's only 3 overdue bills, and we've got 1 taken care of. And this is only a sample company, so you can't have the bill pay set up, but to do have a bill pay, you can set up through QuickBooks and pay per transaction to send bills electronically and have them debited out of your account. I'll just take one quick look here. These are all the bills going forward, including overdue bills. So it just gives you a good picture of your business and how many bills need to get paid. And if you know these numbers are pretty big, then we can go into customers and try and receive payments or send more invoices out if your cash flow is getting a little tight. That's all we have for this video. If you like it, please hit the like button down below, and please subscribe so we can hear more videos, so we can get past the bumps and get to all the benefits of QuickBooks Online. So thank you, and have a nice day.